In this class, we will see how to do unpivoting in Power BI. Unpivoting is very much similar to the concept of pivot tables in Excel. We have the sample data here where kiwi, avocado and blueberry refers to the fruits. 2021, 22, 23 refers to the years and the other numbers refers to the sales of these fruits in those years. Now, the very first thing we have to do upon seeing this data is to make this first row as the heading. So to do that, we have the home tab and this option use first row as heading. As soon as I click this option use first row as heading, as you can see, the product and years are now the headings, replacing the default column headings. Now, the main concept behind this unpivoting is if I read this data, product is kiwi, year is 2021 and sale is 1000. Year is 2022 and sale is 1500. Year is 2023, sale is 2500. If you can closely observe my voice, only product and kiwi are repeated for year 2021. I did not repeat product and kiwi for year 2022, year 2023. I only said that year 2022 1500, year 2023 2500, and I did not say about I did not even mention about product and kiwi. So I'm in a confusion as to what is 2022 1500 referring to, what is 2023 to 2500 referring to. So to get out of this confusion, we have the concept of unpivoting unpivoting data. So in Power BI, when we unpivot the data, we get the data very clearly, like product kiwi 2021, sale is 1000. Product kiwi 2022, sale is 1500. Product kiwi 2023, sale is 2500. Like this we will get the data when we unpivot this table for all these fruits. Kiwi will get 3 data, avocado will get 3 data, blueberry will get 3 data. Each data is referring to 1 year. Now, so first of all, what we will do, we will just leave this product column and select all other 3 columns using control. Hold the control, select 2021, hold the control, select 2022, hold the control, select 2023. Now after selecting all these 3 columns, we will come to the transform tab. Under transform tab, we have the unpivot columns option. So we have 3 options here: unpivot columns and unpivot only selected columns. Very much refers to the same and very much returns the same results. For this purpose, we will either select unpivot columns or either select unpivot only selected columns. So I'm selecting here unpivot only selected columns. As soon as I select this one, you can see that my data got transformed to a completely different representation, wherein I have now kiwi 2021, sale is 1000. Kiwi 2022, sale is 1500. Kiwi 2023, sale is 2500, and the same is happening with the avocado and blueberry. Now all those years are now turning into 2 values like attributes and value. Attribute refers to the year and value refers to the sale in that particular year. Now we will see the applied steps here. If I close this unpivoted only selected cells, we will go back to the normal representation. Now is it mandatory to select all these 3 cells and you know do the unpivoting? No, not mandatory. We can only select 2022 and 2023, leaving 2021 behind. Now we can do the unpivoting. Click here. Now you can see that only two times kiwi is repeated, 2 times avocado is repeated, 2 times blueberry is repeated. Why? Because we did not select 2021, If we have selected 2021, Kiwi will repeat 3 times. So since we left 2021, Kiwi repeated for only 2022 and 2023 in this case. And avocado also repeated for 2022 and 2023. Blueberry also repeated for 2022 and 2023. The you can see, although you can also see the corresponding sales values. I can also, delete this particular 2021 if I don't want it. Right click it, click on remove. There you can see I have removed it. Yeah, this is how unpivoting works in uh, Power BI. Basically, unpivoting is for mainly representing the data very much clearly, which is used for the visual representation at a later stage. We will meet in next class with another Power BI concept. Thank you.